In this video, we'll be telling about how to upload stories in your Facebook profile. For this, open Facebook application. After opening Facebook application, above you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button. When you are clicking on that, you can see story option. Click on story. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select the photo or video which you want to post as story. For example, I am selecting this photo. After that, if you want to edit this photo, so many options are there. If you want to add stickers option is there. You can add whichever sticker you want, and here some more options are there. If you want to add location, just click on this location, and from here you can select location. So this way you can add location. Likewise, so many options are there. If you want to add time, just click on time, and if you want to add temperature, you can add that. From here, if you want to add music, you can do that. Or if you want to tag anyone, click on tag, and from here you can select anyone that you want to tag. And here you can select your feelings, or if you want to create poll, just click on create poll, and you can type any question and post it as poll. And some more options are there. If you want to ask any question, you can do that. And if you want to add any text, AA button is there. Click on this button, and here you can type anything and add that text to the story. And if you want to add music, just click on this music button, and you can add whichever music you want. Here you can see some trending music. If you want to search for music, here you can see search music or artist option. Just you can search and add that music. To add, just click on this music and it will be added. You can place this wherever you want. And after that, if you want to add some filters, just click on this and you can add some filters. And if you want to draw anything, just click on this button and you can draw anything here. After that, click on this done button. If you want to tag any people, just click on this button. From here also you can tag anyone. And after that, here some privacy settings are there. Click on privacy, and when you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here first option is who can see your story. If you want, you can select public. That means everyone can see your story. But if you want only your friends to see the story, you can select friends. Or if you want to hide this story from anyone, you can select hide from. And after that, from this list, you can select whichever contact you want to hide. After that, only your friends except that persons can see this story. And if you want to set custom, you can do that also. Click on custom and select the contacts which you want to see this story. And if you want to share this to Instagram, you can turn this on. Anyways, after everything is complete, down here you can see share button. When you are clicking on that, that story will be posted. In video also options are almost same. In video you can see extra trim button. If you want to trim this video, you can do that. Just click on this trim, and here you can see option to trim. You can select 30-second video. After that, click on this done button, and other options are same like photos. Anyways, if you want to share this, you can click on share, and that story also will be posted. So this way you can easily post story in your Facebook profile. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.